So what we're going to do now is compare two functions f and g. So I notice that g is a decreasing linear function and f is a parabola or a quadratic function. So what one's bigger, f of 2 or g of 2? So if I look at the value of f at 2 and I look at the value of g of 2, I notice that g of 2, the line is above f of 2. So I would say g of 2 is greater than f of 2. So now what about f of 4 and g of 4? So I'm looking here at 4, and the value of the two functions are the same. So what I would say here is f of 4 equals g of 4. And the reason, the graphs cross right there. And now we have to do f of 6 and g of 6. So at the input of 6, I notice that the value of g is higher. So we could say that, or I'm sorry, the value of f, f is this function here, f of 6 is higher than g of 6. And then here when we have f of 8 and g of 8. So in looking at this, we have f of 8 and it's above g of 8. So f of 8 is greater than g of 8 because the parabola is above the line. So now here, is there a value of x at which f of x equals g of x? So this would be, if you notice, there are two. The lines cross twice. So x equals 4 and x equals 9 have f of x equals g of x. So that is where the two functions cross. So now here you have to identify at least two values where f of x is less than g of x. So you can pick like right here, x equals 1, that's true. F of x is less than g of x. X equals 2, you can pick some over here. You can do decimal point values. So I'm just going to say x equals 1 and x equals 2. You can put in whatever kind of answers that you want for that one.